How to fix Pokémon TCG Pocket error code 102002007. Now that specific error code is actually referring to a poor network environment, which means what you want to do for the very basic troubleshooting steps are if you're currently using an active VPN, just simply turn it off and make sure that you have at least a maximum signal bar of your internet connection. Now, the other thing that you can do is just to simply clearing the cache and data files on your Pokemon TCGP application by pressing and holding it and tapping on the eye icon. And here, just scroll down and then go into storage and then choose on clear data. Once done, go with clear cache. Again, this specific problem is actually referring to your network environment wherein you are having an intermittent connection. And those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Pokemon TCG Pocket error code 102002007.